Good morning, students. Today, students, we are going to start exercise 4.2 of chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. Clear? But before starting exercise 4.2, I will explain you what are curves, what are polygons, what are angles. What are curves basically? When we draw anything without lifting our pencil, lifting means without holding our pencil from the paper, without using the scale, that is called curve. It is not a straight line. Curves are not a straight line. You can see these examples. The pictures that are result of your doodling. Doodling is making any line without helping scale, without lifting the pencil. That is called curves. And now curves are of two types. One is of simple curve. Second is of open and closed curve. Firstly, the simple curves are if the curve does not cross each other. Clear? Now see, this is a simple curve. Clear? This is a simple curve, but this is not a simple curve. Clear? Because it is crossing each other. When they cross, that is not a simple curve, that will be a complex curve. We are talking about simple curve. If the curve does not cross each other, we call simple curve. Clear? And now the simple curve is of two types. One is open curve and closed curve. Open curve, if it is open like this manner. Clear? And if it is closed, we call it closed curve. Clear? Now, in the curve, there are three parts. First is interior. Interior means inside of a curve. One is boundary. Boundary means on the curve. Third is exterior. Exterior means outside the curve. Now see here, A is inside the curve. C is exterior or outside of the curve. And B is on the curve or boundary of a curve. And the interior part of a curve together with the boundary, means this shaded portion, is called region. Clear? Now we talk about polygons. Polygons are basically the figures which are made up of line segments, and at least we require maximum 3 line segment for making polygons. At least 3 we required. So polygons are what? They are made up of line segment. Clear? See this example. These all are polygons because we are using only straight lines. Clear? So which one are a polygon here? This one is a polygon. This is a polygon. This is a polygon. Clear? Because we are using straight lines. Now angles. Angles are what? Angle is made up of two rays from a common endpoint. Two rays forming the angles are called arms or side, and the common endpoint is called vertex. And the symbol of angle is this much. Clear? So if I want to write the name of this, what will be the name? RAB. Angle RAB. Angle sign should be there. Clear? Now on the behalf of these points, we will do exercise 4.2. So let's start with it. Question number 1 we do in the book only. They are saying classify the following curves. Are they open or closed? See first one. It is open or closed? It is open. So O is for open, C is for closed. Second one, close. Third one, open. Then close. Then open. Clear? So A is open, C is open, and E is open. Clear? Now we do question 2. Question 2 is draw a rough diagram to illustrate the following. Firstly, you have to do question number 2, students, you have to do in the copy only. Clear? You have to write draw dash following. Clear? Then A part you write open curve. Open curve, any example you can make. Anything. Clear? So I can make any example. B part, close curve. Close curve which is closed from all sides. and it should be simple also. Clear? So closed curve is it should be close. Clear? Now one more you can make, this one also. This is also a closed curve. Now we do question number 3. Question number 3 is draw any polygon. So question number 3 you do like this manner. Draw, write in copy only, any polygon you can make. Clear? Clear? And name it A, B, C, D and E. So polygon name is A, B, C, D, E, A. This is a polygon name. Clear? Now we have to shade its interior. So we shade it. You have to shade it with the pencil only. Clear? Shade it. Clear? Now we do question number 4. Question number 4 is consider this figure and answer the question. Clear? A part is it curve? Yes. Is it curve? So you write yes. It is curved. Clear? B part. Is it close? You have to write yes, it is close. Answer is yes. It is close only. Clear? Now we do question number 5. Question number 5 is illustrate if possible each one of the following with the rough diagram. A closed curve that is not a polygon. So you can make any figure. This is a closed curve but it is not a polygon because I have not made with the straight line. Now B part, an open curve that is not a polygon. Anything you can make. One example you have to make. I made 2. Use any one. C part, a polygon with 2 sides. Not possible. So you write no, it is not possible because polygon must have at least 3 sides. If it is having less than 3 sides, so we can't make polygons. Clear? Now we do exercise 4.3, question number 1 in the book only. Name the angles. Angles, you know, if you are writing A angle name, you will write like this manner. Angle, and this A should be in center. And C, its arm are D and B. So you write D, B. Then second name, B name if I write, how can I write it? Angle A, B, C. Then C if I want to write, angle B, C, D. If I want to write D, angle A, D, C. Now we do question number 2. Question number 2, you have to tell in the given diagram interior of DOE. DOE interior is A. So answer is A here. Now B, exterior of EOF. EOF exterior point are C, A and D. Clear? On EOF, 2 points are coming, that is E also coming, B also coming, O also coming, F also coming. Means we write all the points which come on EOF angle. Clear? Now question number 3, students, we do. Question number 3 is draw a rough diagram of two angles such that they have one point in common. Clear? So firstly we do A part. One point is common. How you write? Make a figure. And name C, B, up D, and here A. So now see, COD angle and BOA angle having O common point. Clear? Now B part. Here 2 points should be common. Any angle you can make. It's your wish. Clear? Now take O. And on this take B also as a common point. O and B are common on angle COD and BOA. So C point, A point. You can take A this side also, C this side also. It's up to you. See, 3 points should be common. Any figure you can make like this I made. Clear? It is C, it is O, it is A. Now 3 points should be there. One is E here, one is B. Now see, O, E and B is common on COD and BOA angles. Now we do D part. Shape you can change according to your desire. Now A, O, B. Clear? And take C here. Here you can take D and E because 4 points required now, which will be common in both the angles. It should be OEDB. Clear? Now we do E part. One ray in common. Anything you can make. O is common COP. So it is B, it is C, and it is, one second, it is C, it is A. AOC is common OC. You have to write here OC is common ray between AOC and BOC. It is A. Clear? AOC and BOC, OC is a common ray. Clear? So student, today we have done exercise 4.2 and 4.3, and we have done what is a angle, how to draw angles, then we done polygons, curves. On the behalf of that we have done 2 activities. So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.